Uh, Welcome to the unboxing of RCA switcher 3-way. So got it from eBay. Customs did not open it. That's a good sign. Yeah. One little bear. Nothing else in the box. So it's made out of plastic, but it has got a mute switch, a selector, volume controller, and there is a mode selection also. It can be 4 in 1 out or 1 in 4 out. Yeah, I will have to disable this spot because it may change the sound quality. You can say it's a passive preamp. Overall build quality is okay, I would say. It's not, see, there is a seal also, QC pass certificate. Overall it's okay. Would have been better if it were in aluminum, but anyways, yep. Thank you for watching.